Oh my God. I just got home. Already nag-donut na and have a nice day. Very hot. It's hot. I think this one will cure my sickness today. You know? Alright, have a nice day. You look at that coffee. Coffee brew. Brewed coffee. For the day. Nakompine si Black Panther. Napilay napilay.
Ilang inches na to?
33? 33 yan, 33. Ano, wala siya. Palitan ko na rin yung caliper. Oh, ayun siya. Ayun siya. Oh, slow motion. Ayun, may mga gumagawa doon. Oh. Tayo. Meron tayong brand new na Toyota dito. Maghahanap naman tayo ng masisira dito. Ba't kasi yung mga brand new sinisira natin? Yung mga tinunan na nila basta ka factory ito. Dahil talaga matalino kasi tayo mga tao, no? Ginawa tayo ng Diyos eh. Sabi ng Diyos, tingnan natin ang galing ng mga tao na ginawa natin. Gawa na, ginagawa ulit. ayan tuloy, oh. Nabuburing to mga tao sa mundo, alam niya. Uy, may bagong question. Sana all, no? Uy. No, may mga setup tayo dito. This setup truck. Okay. Ayos. May snorkel. Pati ngayon tong, ang dami kasi ba't kasi ano may mga nakasabit-sabit na ganito? Ano bang laman ng mga to? Bakit may ganyan to? Ito parang kayo ito yung fabricator, oh. Ayan. Fabricator, ito yung shop niya. Ayan. 50% off dito. Free labor. Yeah, free labor.
Ito rin, free labor.
Oh. Free labor dito kayo sa Bridgeport.
Sa may buntis, nagle-labor.
Oh. Yung buntis lang ang may labor. Oh. Sir, okay na ba yung upstairs natin doon, yung ano, pag yung car nyo hindi magawa ngayon, free ang board and lodging doon sa taas. Yun, pwede na kayong mag-rent doon. Yun, katabi nyo yung mekaniko. Ito yung gwapo na mekaniko. Magiging ka-double nyo sa kama sa taas. Ito. Dami na, gawa na. May pang-welding na yata rito, ayos. Pang-welding, for welding. Ayan mga truck nila. Wala silang magawa rito. Sana all. Sana may ganito rin ako. Itong bakal. Ayan, oh. Gusto ko yung ganito rin. Di ba ilagay na ganito? Gawa mo ko. Ayun, tayo. Tayo ngayon kay John. Gawa na yung mga tools niya. Dito sa mag-fabricate. John, the mechanic. Yung mga welder niya. Pupromote natin kasi 50% off daw dito. First 10 customers, 50% off. Is that right or wrong? Wrong. Oh, $50 off. $5, $50, hindi 50%. Yung mga hindi marunong magbayad, ito. Yung mga hindi marunong magbayad, yan, lagay nyo lang yung kamay nyo dyan. Tapos, pag nabutas, yun. Libre.
300 yun sa'yo, 500.
500 ang discount to?
Hindi.
Babayaran mo. Hawakan ko na lang yung, yung itlog dyan para libre na. Ay, ay. Baka negosyante kayo. Wala. May live aking chick. Tayo. Ito yung madidikwat ko mamaya. Mawawala ito mamaya. Mawawala yan mamaya ito. Sakto. Ano ba yung maingay dito? Ganda lang, tambayan natin. Dito na yung ating market crossing. Habang nagkakape, may ginagawa, di ba? Oo. Ganda ng mga truck niya. Ako lang yata yung okay, mataas pa yung araw. Ganda pa. Tayo rito. Mga kaganapan dito. Alis muna tayo rito, baka madaganan tayo rito. Wasak. Dito kami, no? Sisirain lang namin yung ilaw para may gagawin kami, para may ginagawa kami. This is what we do, you know. If we are bored, we check the light bulbs, looks like, then we will put it back. It's very cheap charge, you know. $150 for the change bulb. Oo, atras. Yung mekaniko matrasan. Oh, next customer. Jet ski. So I just picked up some parts, another CV Axle. We're back to the shop and I have the parts behind the truck. And then we have it installed as soon as possible because I'm here now at the shop of my friend. Okay, let's maneuver first. Let's maneuver. And we will back up a little bit. The CV Axle we just picked up today and have it installed later on. So I went back to Lordco 2 times and I have to go back to Bridgeport to take the parts with me. These parts right here. So I need to drive to Richmond again. And I hope this will be the end of my journey because I'm already tired driving around, going back and forth, Vancouver to Richmond, just for the parts. At least I found similar parts in Lordco. I hope this will end up my hard time, you know. I'll let you know what is the update of my Toyota 4Runner. My friend Benji is building it right now. Bearings, ball joints, calipers, everything. Okay, we are now heading to Richmond. Okay, at least the flow of the traffic is clean. Not too much traffic. It's a little bit faster, around 60. So we're good. I hope we could reach the Bridgeport Richmond on time. But here on the bridge it's a little slower. We're back for the second time around for the parts that we have brought in today. Oh, we have a visitor. There's a black truck right here. Alright, we're here. Tropa, alin na kayo dito? Pakabuyan naman kayo dito. May promo kami ngayon dito. Promo. First customer. May promotion kami ngayon. isang halik. Lips ni Benji.
Isa bayad.
Dito, na-stress na kami rito. Buti na lang may remedyo. At least, paano. Come down here. It's a nice day. So guys, wala na kayo ibang pupuntahan. Just come down here. This is our specialty. Okay? Oh. See, 4Runner. So we have everything here, right? Except no chicks, no woman here, not allowed. And nearby is the fabricator here. Kay John. Spare parts free, right there. Yotota. You have a visitor. Look at the nice one. Very shiny sports car. Don't be shy, my friend. Come down here. I like your car. Tago, where are you? Alright, it's okay. Sabi nga nila, ano eh, live to ride Davidson. So they're doing the brake right now. Ano pump? There. So we are doing the caliper. There. So we are bleeding the caliper of this truck right now. Yes. Progress. We are done here with the brake caliper bleeding, and we installed new brake lines by Jevin Custom. Saan ka pa? Siyempre, dito na tayo. Ayan o, legit tayo dito. Basta open-minded lang kayo, diba? And this work will go farther. New caliper from the United States of America. But we have a problem. This guy is rubbing. Fender. Fixing car is very difficult and pricey. You know, I don't know if it's practical to buy old used car and it's we're here at Nortes Park, and we will return some parts that we don't need at this store. So, you know, blue means Lordco. And so I was able to reimburse the parts that I never used or has to use, so saving some money. I saved some $50 at least. So let's go back to the shop and let's bring this Belmont to my friend. The reimburse, so I got my money back at least for the parts that I never used. Let's go back to the shop and let's rock and roll. Let's see how it goes for the car. And my friend is there working on the truck right now. And I'm gonna bring his cigarette. Alright. I hope I will win lottery and get new truck. Sound check, sound check. Yeah. Ayan. Oh, tangina. Shit. Ha? Oo. Brand new axle, brand new caliper, brand new brake line here. That's the CB axle from Lordco.
Pati caliper, pinalitan mo ha?
Oh, caliper. Saka, we did a trim here already. Trim na. I don't know, we don't have the tools to adjust this thing. Sana di na siya mag-rub. Oh, siyempre dito lang kami sa method. Ayan. Ito yung mga model ng shop. Ayan, mga model, the riders. Ayan, the riders. Ayan. Si red one saka si Bluetooth. Ayan. Dito tayo. Oh, pero okay pa yung pad niya?
Yeah, okay pa.
So, ang problema yung cable. Yun kaya yung problema niya.
Bearing na to.
Ha?
Bearing na to.
Bearing na?
Yeah.
May hub ba yan? Another problem, my friends. Ito pang lubricate nyo, Molson, no lubrication. Stop my rail. Shit. Thank you. Okay, dito pa kami. are still here. Overtime. 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 We're still working with this thing. This for the rear handbrake drum brakes part for the cable. This is. Oh, now it's playing. Very nice. Before it was very stiff. Now it works. Save money. Nice. Save money. Oh, it's so loud here. Love it. Either. Ah. Here, the judge is here, and we have the. So, yes, party. Courtesy of President Lakay. President. Yan. Yan, may dala siyang dito. Spicy. Yan. Dito kami. Ay, nako. So, bearing. Hopefully, we could find the parts tomorrow. A lot of expense, you know? Fuck. The rear bearing is very loud, man. Drive. Yeah. Oh, kuha na rin ako ng bearing nito. Yeah. Ano nangyari doon? Ayun ang bumaba. Now it's not going down. The car is stuck. The car is not going anywhere. Mechanical failure. It's going down now. Oh, it's going down now.
7,000 to 8,000.
So much tools here, eh? This is the lubrication. Right? Huh? Ayan, it's lowered down already. It's lowered already. Lowered down. So we will be working on this next time. Oi! If you see water dripping, this means the engine is very good, right? Right? So we take care of your tires, alright? This is what we have spending today. Bearings and calipers. Okay, this is the old caliper right here. Serve gasoline. Yeah. So everything is there. I have brake fluid. I have everything here. Oh my goodness. This one is the latch working now, so good. It's a little bit loud here because of the heater right there. So yeah. So, kaya pala. Naubos yung chicken doon. Punta naman ito, may pizza naman dito. Okay. Boring ngayon, boring. Walang pagawa. Walang customer. No customer. While we are waiting for J-Ben, we have food here, you know. Drink. I just went home to take a shower, buy this Gatorade, buy this one, and I have some of this empanada, and this in front of me, other expenses, parts of the car. So I got the crusher washer, I have the upper of the seal, inner, I think that's outer, and then inner seals. I have the two wheel bearings for the rear, ABS, 3 studs, some gear oils. We are still hearing some what do you call that noise in our rear. That tire there is very noisy, so we just finished doing the front. This one is very loud. See, it's even can hear the noise. Here it's done now, you know, and we trim a little bit and we cut some portions there, you know. We have to cut it because it's rolling Same on the other side. Same on the other side. So we did some trimming here. Trim because this one is rubbing as well a little bit. So time check. Almost 5:45 and everybody will be here very soon. I just came early. Try to get the parts at the metal scrap but it's closed. So let's stay in here first. It's cold outside. May mga mekaniko dito. Ang sasakyan lang namin, mga taga-construction kami, Audi. Ito lang yung mga service ng mga construction boys dito at saka mga mekaniko. Di ba sir, no? Ito sa ano to? Taga ano ng buhos. Oh, tingnan mo yung mga sakyan namin dito, 'di ba? Lightning. Di ba? Ayan. Hindi pa 'yun foreman ha, hindi pa 'yun foreman. 'Di ba? Apprentice lang, 'di ba? Malamig na. Dito tayo malamig.
Okay na yung... Okay na.
Hindi pa kung magawa, di maganda.
Hindi, naayos na yung decoran, di pa.
Preso, may nga pag sinit-sinit mo yung aircon. Gumagano. Pag nagpon ka. Oh, tapos na yung B6. Isang B6 ulit. Ayun. Isang B6 ulit. Okay lang yan, minus 100 dyan. Yan. Yan. Oo. 100 ka yun. Oh, okay lang yun. Discount yun. Ayun. Nalok lang. Gawin namin yung bearing ulit. Bearing. Either. Napaping ano dito? 8:30 PM. Dilim. Yun, dinala na kami ng aeroplano. Either, oh, ayan, oh. May bugi na tumitira dito, oh. Ito, guwapo to, oh. Pang model to, pang model. Ano kayang mga kinakalikot ng mga pugi? Sa pag mga pugi, magaling kumalikot yan, eh. Kaya natin, silinti natin. Ayaw pakita, eh. Siya, eh. Ano bang... Oh, paggawa na kayo rito, kumpleto kami ng gamit. Ayan, oh, putangin na. Paggawa na. Headlight na speedometer. Oh, puro gwapo yung mga mekaniko rito. May libreng kiss.
Tambay na ako dito, kuya.
Maganda pa yung ilaw namin, yung mga pinaggagawa ng mga tao rito. Ano ba yung nasa ilalim ng kotse natin? Mukhang marami nang gagawin dito, oh. Marami na, oh. Ito. Oh shit, matagas na, oh. Matagas ba ito? Ay, ito matagas na. Ito matagas na ito, ayun. Langis na. Oh. Pasilip naman. Oh, ito. Hindi, okay lang. Oh, ganyan pala yung tsura, oh. Ayun, kumakain si mechanic. Okay lang, pre. Kumain ako sa kotse kanina. Ha? Kaya nga eh. Sabi kaya wawarin ako kasi baka humiwalay ka ako. It's playing. That's how you do it, eh? Watch. Yung bearing. Pina kasi wala akong kotse. Nakikisakay ako kay Arnel. Nakaka-stress pala yung ganito, yung walang sasakyan. Nakikisakay. Ngayon, ang gagawin ko, upo na lang ako dito sa kotse. Saan ba yung light natin dito? Wala bang light? Ayun, kita na kami. Uwi muna kami kasi ginabi na kami, nagpapagawa kami ng kotse. Mahirap talaga pag wala kang service. Di ba? Di ba, Arnel? Di ba? Ayun, si Lakay.
At least meron kang ano.
Kaya mabuti na lang mayroon akong sponsor courtesy ng Lakay 4x4. Siyempre, President Arnel, mabuhay. Ako na-stress talaga ako sa pagpapagawa ng kotse lalo at pag kulang yung parts na binibigay sa akin ng mga store. Di ba? Yung mga shop.
Hindi kasi, ikaw rin, dapat mag-order ka na ng ano, yung buo na.
Hindi ko kasi alam eh. Hindi ko alam eh. Basta
Yeah.
ang pina-order sa akin, rear wheel bearing. Right? So how would I know those other extra parts that you need?
Yung malala kung ano yung sira ng sakyan mo eh.
Pero pa palang, kailangan pa pala ng dalawang locking ring, tapos dalawang
Bukas
isang...
pa to, ito mga store dito. Going on here. Mayroon yata mayroon shooting bro. Yun o.
Teka lang. We're gonna pay for the part again. Another expenses. Spending. Here. No people around today. So let's go back now to the shop and we will drop off this part. Okay, so we got the ABS stone ring. What I'm going to do is to keep the part in the bag and then we will leave this to... This is the part we are going to need tonight. But I'm gonna leave it for now inside it and then someone will pick it and then I'll just leave. But there's another part to pick it up the auto parts, then it's all up to them now. And I have to leave. We have to put everything inside that one there. Then we'll leave it like that. Bisitahin natin yung mga gwapo rito. Asan yung mga gwapo rito? Asan na yung pinaka-gwapo dito na mekaniko? Asan yung mga pinaka-gwapo rito? Kamusta ka na, Daddy? Busy. Sarap. Diyan baka, Benji, baka makalimutan mo kami, ha? Hindi kami, baka makalimutan mo kami, hindi yung kotse.
Hindi mo pa nakabit yung ano. Siyempre, hindi mo pa nakabit yung ano niya.
Ayun, ganda ng ilalim, oh.
Yung preno niya.
We are signing out, my friends. Ayan, oh. Ayan. Ayun, oh. Oh, first come, first serve.